Hi, it's Jen and Tammy with an awesome notion for you that we found at International Quilt Market.
Yep.
We know table runners, quilts need binding, and a lot of people just don't love binding.
They don't like making it.
Nope,
that's
but
correct.
these ladies at Quilted Heartz knew that, and they created a product called Binding Eaze. Awesome product that makes doing binding fun and fast.
Exactly.
Show us how, Tammy.
It's fun. All right. So I'm going to take binding. I'm using Staff. This is for a project, hint, hint, coming up. I figured I'd make my binding.
Love Staff.
I know. All right. So I just folded my binding in half and just pressed a little bit of it.
Okay.
Just to get us started. And I'm going to put it through the loops, 1 and 2, just like this. Now I'm going to take my iron and I'm going to set my iron on this. And this is made out of silicone.
Okay.
All right, and you can see the bottom is kind of a, it has like a waffle to it,
kind of a grip to it.
Yes,
like
it's got some grip to it. All right, so I'm going to set this iron in the middle, and now I am simply going to pull my binding right through, just like this. How cool is this?
That is so cool. Because normally, you know, if you've done binding, you know, you fold a section, you iron, then you tip it back up, fold a new section.
Up and down.
Down and down. Your hands are kind of free.
Yes.
You're not with the stress of the iron up and down.
Correct.
So,
look how much I've done already. Look.
Wow. Tammy, this one
you just go.
Awesome.
Isn't that fun?
If you've been looking for something to make binding more fun and more efficient, this is the right tool.
This is the product.
Hey, if you're trying to find an idea for a friend that's a quilter for their birthday,
perfect.
Christmas,
yes,
there's a good chance they don't have that, and they will so appreciate that. So
yes, they will.
We continue to be on the hunt for the best notions that add fun,
always
increase your efficiency and accuracy. So we will be back as soon as we have more notions to share with you here at Shabby Fabrics.